And this is Imjitaman with another video for listen to what your information officer says. And this video is in a series of instructions that would allow persons to get clear understanding of why we would try to get our data sets in structured fashion. Um, there is a paper thinking that continues, and some persons are very delighted to continue working in that structure, but it does not allow us to use the digital format. And today, our simple example is on the name structure, as you would see on the screen. Um, all right, simply put, we want to collect data and we are asking to type the data. We are asking you to type the data using this structure: James public, comma, now, and the date of birth. We ask that you type not date of birth but day, month, year. All right, now it looks pretty simple, but a lot of the persons who were asked to do this task did not do it simply because they thought they had better ideas, so they did this. James public. Yes, it's the same thing. We could read it line by line. I could read James public as the person's name. It doesn't seem that there is any big difference, but when I come to a name like James, Harry public, I have a problem. I don't know if the James is the first name and Harry public is, or in fact I'll change to GLORA, because a woman always, most married women have this structure. I don't know now what is the name, if it's Gloria Harry and public is surname, or if it's Gloria Harry public. What I'm looking at here, this could be interpreted as Gloria Harry public, meaning that her first name was Harry and now she became a public after marriage. But there is a certain reason, and this is why this video is being made, a certain reason why we ask you to keep the data structure in this format. And here is the reason. If you keep the comma, you would allow the officers who are dealing with the data, you would give them the opportunity to do something that is easily done with commas. And I would show you what I'm speaking about. It's called separating based on commas. So here I would be able to go to Excel, and this is something that I want you to practice and do yourself. Do a text to column, follow the convert text to column wizard using a delimiter, and in this case I want the delimiter to be a separator, which is the comma. And so click next, finish. You would be able to separate James from public into distinct columns, the name and the surname columns. Notice that I could separate using this space. However, if I try to separate using this space, here is where I would run into problems. Notice I'm going to do the same thing, but this time it's with the space. I have James public, I have Gloria Harry public. If you are thinking along, you'll notice that Gloria Harry public are three parts. So let's just quickly run through this one. If I say use the space as the separator, I'll just go finish quickly, and you notice now that Gloria Harry public, we have three names, and I don't want that to happen. I wanted it to be Gloria Harry public, if that is the name that's supposed to be there. I'll quickly undo this, get back our names. So if we have a comma here, and it could be anywhere in your typing, if we have a comma here, or in this case let's put a comma here, and I use my separator, just put back public here, comma public. If you would type your data as if you would have your data structure set up like this, and it doesn't matter, notice I would have 100 space, I could have space before, it doesn't matter. I could do this now, text to column, and run with my comma, separate my data, and notice what happens. At least I have my spaces here, but it gives me the type of separation that I'm expecting based upon the comma. So this is the reason why we are admonishing you to use the comma to separate the data. Thank you for you.